In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove shipping on Shopify. This guide will help you streamline your checkout process, making it more efficient and straightforward. This is especially useful if you plan on offering digital products or services where shipping isn't required. So, let's dive right in and take you through every step of the way. To begin, log into your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're signed in, look towards the left-hand side of your screen where you'll find a series of menu options. Locate and click on the one labeled Settings. This is your gateway to a wide array of important configurations for your store. Within your settings, you'll see a variety of areas you can tweak, but today our focus is specifically on shipping and delivery. Go ahead and click on that. Now that you're in the shipping and delivery settings, you'll notice different sections dedicated to various aspects of shipping. What we're interested in is the shipping profile. Find the profile you wish to alter, usually named something simple like General Profile or similar. Next to this profile, you'll see an Edit button. Click on it to proceed with the modifications. Upon entering the editing mode of your shipping profile, you'll see two tables. The first is for shipping zones, and the second is for rates. Look for the section under Rates. This section currently lists all the available shipping rates for your products. We will make changes here to eliminate shipping from your product listings. What you need to do is find an X or Delete button next to each shipping rate. Click this to remove all currently set shipping rates from your products. Make sure to confirm any pop-up prompts that ask you to save or continue with deleting these settings to ensure that the changes are fully applied. With the shipping rates removed, let's move forward by ensuring this applies to all the necessary products. If your aim is to offer digital downloads or services across the board without shipping fees, make sure to update your product listings. Head over to the Products section from the main dashboard. For each product that should be exempt from shipping, click to Edit, and scroll down until you find the Shipping section. Uncheck the option that specifies this product requires shipping. Doing this signals to the system, and to your customers, that they won't expect shipping to be part of their purchase. Once you've confirmed these settings, take an extra moment to revisit the checkout directly on your website. This is a helpful tip to ensure that everything is running smoothly and customers experience a seamless, shipping-free transaction. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've effectively removed shipping from your Shopify store. This adjustment not only simplifies the purchasing process for your digital goods or services but also enhances the overall customer experience by making your offerings clear and straightforward. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this helps make your Shopify journey even more successful and enjoyable.